This is Sarfaraz.
Hi, my name is Ahmed and we both are partners. We started this unit around 9 years ago.
Currently we have around 55 employees. We have in-house applicators, graphic designers, creative people also, because for certain clients, for certain corporates, we are giving creative services also as well. We are understanding their jobs, rendering all their layouts and giving them nice creative inputs from our side to deliver the job in a proper way, to the more professional way.
First, when we started this, somebody introduced us to Epson and we got to know about the company. They helped us a lot. When we had started the business, we didn't have that much of amount to get a down payment and get these printers around. So they were very flexible in their purchase policies. So as soon as we got the machine, we were very happy with the results. And even the performance of the machine has been very good. When we talk about consistency, I think over the past 8 to 9 years, the consistency of the machine has been almost the same. So that's how our confidence built up, and we got another roll-in machine, then we got another, and as of now we have 6 of them. So this is the confidence that we have here. One of the best amongst the industry. Whether the inks are concerned or the environment is concerned or any other thing we can say, the technological updates are concerned or technical inputs from the Roland head office, be it UK or Japan, even these people help us a lot in upgrading these machines and giving us new platforms and new versions of the RIP software and motherboards and all. So, and these things they do it on their own. It's not that we go and ask them to give it to us. Whenever they come up with a new solution or a new thing, they come up with a thing that might help us, they'll definitely on their own, they come here on their own and they upgrade the machines. So this helps us build us the confidence in Roland.
The company we started with one solvent printer. For the indoor, there was a different technology which is still there, like inkjet technology, dye-based inks. So that was the only thing. But maybe the market was looking forward for a technology which could give them the same quality, same result in the outdoor also. And this eco solvent really helped market in this way. We bought a Roland printer of 6 feet width, which helped us to expand our overall business capability, and plus to give the same quality and result which is there in the indoor to the outdoor also as well, and which was very appreciated and taken with open arms by the clients. We have a very good customer base for the vehicle graphic. For the vehicle graphic, at times we need to have a lot of stickers which are cut in the profile. So earlier that was being done by hand, and there were a lot of problems in that process because it was not smooth enough to deliver it to the client. So this print in cut technology really helped a lot. And plus the best part is this machine can print, then you can laminate it, and then again you can retuck into the machine and cut it after the lamination. This is the best part, which is like superb for us to simplify the jobs and give the best result for this particular industry.
One thing I should say is, for any person who wants to start a business or people who are there in the business or who have been there since very long, this is the best investment that a person can make in a printer, because I'd like to say that once the printer comes to you, or as it is Roland, you don't have to worry about the printer. It looks like as if whenever something is not working here, it is Roland who is more concerned about why this is not working. And with this, you are at peace of mind. You don't have to worry about the inks, about the downtime, about the spare parts, about anything, about the output and all. You just give them a call and they'll take care of everything that is here, and which you can concentrate on your sales and marketing and other things. And about the printer, you don't have to worry a lot. I would say that 99% of the time this is up and working. You come to the office in the morning, you just put the switch on and it starts working. There's hardly any time, twice or thrice in a year maybe, there's some error and all. But it is the best thing among all the other machines and platforms that we have. I think this is the best that you can go for.